This is Waka Huia. She's a 61-foot 7-inch semi-trad narrowboat, built in 1996 by the original owner. There's a large 335 watt solar panel on the roof. The shell was by Mick Cull, and at the aft here there are another 4 100 watt solar panels. Paintwork is in good condition. There's a cratch covered well deck and also a pram over the semi-trad deck. Propulsion is by a Lister LPWS 4 38 horsepower diesel engine. We'll go and step on board. So in the semi-trad deck there is a removable panel which exposes your electrical cupboard, battery isolators. There's a Victron 3 kilowatt inverter charger. There's also an isolation transformer on board and MPPT controllers for the solar. She's reverse layout, so you step down from the aft deck into the galley, oak block worktops, under counter fridge, gas cooking, Belfast sink. There's also a compact freezer and a studio washing machine. Moving forwards, raised Pullman dinette. That makes up a double 6 foot by 4 foot. Side door with a hatch over. And opposite is your fully tiled bathroom in an Art Deco design. Pump out toilet, wash basin and bath. Shower over the bath. Hot water is heated by the engine and boiler. There is an immersion on board, but it's not connected. Permanent double, 6'6" by 4 foot. Storage under. Central heating is by a Webasto diesel boiler. And the fit out throughout is oak. And although it is an owner fit out, as you can see, it was done to a professional standard. In the saloon, sofa bed there. That does make a single berth, 6 foot by 2 foot 2. Behind the radiator at the front is a tiled hearth, so you could install a solid fuel stove. Into the cratch covered well deck. In 2017 she was grip blasted, hot zinc sprayed and coated with 2-pack epoxy, and since then she's spent a lot of time out on hard standing. She's not with us at North Kilworth, but she is local. Give us a call on 01788 822 115 and we can book you a viewing. And all the details can be found on our website www.abnb.co.uk.